Here's our welcome gift.
Coco Frio.
Haven't had one of these since Mexico.
No.
It's Jeanette and Dean here, and we're glad you could join us. In our last video, we moved to Negros Oriental. We're here for a week and just settling in, having a walk around the neighbourhood, checking out the little tienda. We also went in search of a waterfall and ended up having a hike instead.
Go, come on, run, run. See how steep that is?
Hopefully by the end of this video we will have found some waterfalls to have a swim in, and also we're going to check out the local markets, which is not very far from where we're staying. We're ready to go to the market. That's it. That was just outside the gate, and now we're heading to the markets. Stop, wait for me.
Checkers.
This is the smelly section. There's lots of fish, sardines and all sorts of fish. Still looking for bananas. Seen some bananas, but they've been a bit overripe, so keep looking.
There were some green ones out there.
¡Ay! ¡Sorpresa!
This is the machetes and rope section. Anyone want some rope? There's been, on the trucks, there's been lots of animals, and so we're walking our way down because we're assuming they're right down the end here. Oh, here we are. We're all right. Here's the livestock. Moo. Very lean, tall and lean.
Yeah, that's actually finally a fine pigs.
Hello, piggers. This one's big. Very cute.
Hello.
Hello, pigger.
It's very quiet.
Yeah, not trying to jump out or anything. Hello, little boy. Just as I said, I was having trouble finding bananas. There's a stand.
They're
with
really nice.
Nice looking ones, and mangoes. So we're just going to keep walking down here, and then we'll grab them on the way back. What have we got here, babe?
Slippers. We call them slippers.
These slip-on thongs and anything that slips on. In the Philippines they call it slippers. Dean hasn't been able to find a pair because he's got large feet.
Too small.
No.
So at the end of the long walk down is the port.
Port of Zamboanguita something or other. Let's
And,
say Zambo because it's hard to say. Zamboanguita, I think it's called.
And you can get
This is where you get boats to Upol.
boats to Upol.
Malactapai terminal.
Smell something eggy. We've just stopped.
If you don't have smell-o-vision, it's like rotor-up. Oh my god. Red River Valley, Valencia. Definitely Red River, stinky Red River.
100 pesos each to get in.
$3.
And
$3 Australian.
the nice thing about these falls, you don't have to climb 1,000 stairs to see them.
No.
They're literally just here.
Coming across the wobbly bridge. Wow, beautiful. You can hear the falls in the background. You probably can't really hear me very well. You did it, you didn't even hold on.
The nice thing is there's actually not that many people here. We're going to have a swim.
We must smell worse than the sulphur because there's all these people and now they've all left.
Just us.
So it's just us.
In the actual falls.
In the waterfalls, yeah. So, we're going to brave the falls. Jeanette's going to get in first. And then we'll see her reaction and then I'll decide whether I get in or not. You probably can't hear any of what I just said. Here we go. I think it's cold. Maybe down there.
That water is cold. Ready, set, go! Fall backwards. We're just heading back now, but we found a really nice little spot to pull over. We just spent a bit of time just sitting here enjoying nature and just taking some time out. Reflecting on our time in the Philippines and just being present in the moment.